Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the updated Codiumate Tests plugin for JetBrains. Let's dive in. I just ran our code coverage and we can do better. I'm going to click on the icon for Codiumate's tests and I have the test suites now being generated. We look at the context, it's using the main and the math, and that's good. That's what we're testing in the greeter. And now let's go over to the configuration. There are now two new configuration files, one for project scope and the other one for local scope. The local scope, you need to add that to your get_ignore file so it's not checked in with your project. If we look here too, we have Mocha and 1 as our desired testing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and for everyone to use the same file on our project, I'm going to save this project level scoped and I'm going to paste that and see that I want to use Jest. So everyone now, once I check this in, will be able to use Jest and have 3 tests being generated and plan instructions and an example unit test. So this will help out your fellow developer. Now from this collaboration though, I would like to do my own local testing and have 7 generated. So I'm bringing in my scope, my local scope file, and that toml, and just say the number desired tests are 7. Now let's go ahead and regenerate those tests. And in doing that, you'll see that the context has stayed the same. We look at the configuration. We have the test as Jest, number is 7. Here's our test to use below, and our general instructions. Now if we go back to the test tab, I'm going to open as a file all the tests that are generated. And remember, you're in the driver's seat. You're the developer. If we look at some of these tests, I just found one here, 50. Well, that's going to take quite a long time. So for me right now, I'm going to go and say it's good enough to do 13. In that, now let's run this and see where we're at. Great. We got everything done. So now I'm going to check my code coverage. We're now at 100 across the board. That's great. Thank you so much for your time and happy coding with Codiumate.